If you're planning to construct a wall and don't know how much quantity of bricks and cement, sand required for the construction, then this video is for you. My name is Vinay, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon for getting instant notifications of our latest videos. So without wasting your time, let's start our video. For constructing any wall, you need to order bricks, sand, cement. So without knowing how much quantity they require, you don't know how much to order. So for calculating cement and sand, first we need to find out how much quantity of brick required for the construction. I will also give timestamps here so you can directly go to that specific section of the video and watch what you came for. First, let's start with brick calculation. For the explanation purpose, we are taking 10 feet by 6 feet wall and the thickness of the wall is 9 inch. If you want to calculate for other dimensions, please do calculations by watching the video. You can change the dimensions and you can calculate easily by watching the video. So 10 feet length and height is 6 feet and the thickness of the wall is 9 inch. So I can change the dimensions as I explained. Also I am taking brick size 9 inch by 4.5 inch by 3 inch. You can also change these by varying the dimensions. Next, thickness of the mortar. It is very important to take thickness of the mortar. Generally it is 10 mm. You can change based on your construction. So take 10 mm, that is 0.39 inches or 0.0325 feet. To calculate inches into feet, divide inch by 12. This is a basic calculation. Remember, to convert inches to feet, divide inch by 12. You will get in feet. Okay. Next, now brick size with mortar. That is, add thickness of the mortar with the brick size. You will get 9.39, 4.89 by 3.39. Next, formula for calculating number of bricks is volume of brickwork divided by volume of one brick with mortar. Now we have to calculate everything in CFT. So convert everything into feet. So we'll get 0.75 feet by 0.375 feet by 0.25 feet. When we calculate all three dimensions, we'll get 0.070 CFT, that is cubic feet. Next, volume of one brick with mortar. We have to add thickness of the mortar here. So what is the thickness of the mortar? In feet, we have already specified 0.0325. We have to add this to the dimension of the brick in feet. So we'll get 0.783 feet by 0.408 feet by 0.283 feet. After multiplication, we'll get 0.090 cubic feet. So now we have volume of one brick with mortar. Finally, we have to find out volume of brickwork. That is simple, just length into breadth into height. That is 10 feet by 6 feet by 0.75. We'll get 45 CFT, that is cubic feet. When we divide 45 CFT by 0.090, we'll get 500 number of bricks. That is 500 bricks are required for the construction of the wall. But we have to note one point here. There is a wastage for any construction, right? So we have to take 5 to 10% wastage. So I am taking 10%, that is 0.1 into 500. We'll get 50 bricks. So add this number of bricks to the total bricks. We'll get net bricks as 550 number of bricks. So we require 550 bricks for the construction of wall of dimension 10 feet by 6 feet by 0.75 feet. So this is the calculation of number of bricks required for the construction. So now we'll find out how much quantity of cement required for construction of this wall. So the dimensions are exactly same and the number of bricks are same. So the formula for calculating quantity of cement is dry volume of the mortar into cement ratio divided by sum of ratio. So for calculating dry volume, we have to first find out wet volume of the cement. For calculating wet volume of the cement, we have to find out mortar quantity. So how will get mortar quantity? That is the main question. For calculating mortar quantity, we need to subtract the quantity of bricks from the total volume of the wall. Then we'll get the remaining mortar quantity. So it's very simple. So total volume of bricks equals to 0.070, that is without mortar into 500 number of bricks. We'll get 35 CFT. So quantity of mortar equals to 45 minus 35, we'll get 10 CFT. So this is the quantity of mortar required for the construction. So for calculating the quantities of cement and sand, we have to do the mixed proportion. So for this calculation, we have taken mixed proportion as 1:5. Here we have wet volume of the mortar and the mix ratio. Now we have to calculate dry volume of the mortar. For calculating this, we have a formula, that is dry volume of the mortar equals to wet volume plus 33% of wet volume. So it's a standard formula based on many iterations. So dry volume of the mortar equals to wet volume into 1 plus 0.33. So after calculating, we'll get 13.3 CFT. So we'll consider 5% wastage, that is 13.3 into 0.05. We'll get 0.665. This has to be added to 13.3. We'll get 13.965, approximately 14 CFT. So this is the dry volume of the mortar. So we have dry volume. Now we can find the quantity of cement easily by substituting this value in the formula itself. So after substituting, we'll get 14 into cement ratio, that is 1, divided by sum of ratio, that is 1 plus 5. We'll get 2.333 CFT, which is the quantity of cement from the mortar. So now we know density of cement is 1440 kg per meter. Also we know 1 meter cube equals to 35.3147 CFT. Now we'll convert quantity of cement from CFT to meter cube. We'll get 2.333 divided by 35.3147. We'll get 0.0366 meter cube. Now we have to calculate weight of cement. For calculating weight, we have to multiply density and volume. So we'll get 95.04 kg. Also we know one bag of cement contains 50 kgs of cement. So number of bags is 1.9, approximately 2 bags. You require 2 bags of cement for the construction. So finally we got quantity of cement. Now we'll discuss how to calculate quantity of sand. It is very simple. We know cement to sand ratio is 1:5. So quantity of sand equals to quantity of cement into 5. We already found 2.333 CFT of a cement. So multiply that with 5. We'll get 11.665 CFT. We already know 1 meter cube equals to 35.3147. So for calculating weight of sand, we need to multiply density of sand with the volume of sand, that is quantity of sand. We'll get 528 kg, that is 0.528 tons. In this way you can calculate these 3 quantities for any brickwork. I hope this video is useful for you. If you find anything useful, please do share this video because it will give some motivation to make more videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.